Hi, welcome back to CBSE Board Economics. I'm Saddam Hussain here. Today we'll be discussing a few simple numericals from the concept of investment multiplier. We learned this concept of investment multiplier in detail earlier. What exactly is, I'll give you before we go to the numericals, we'll discuss some concept of investment multiplier. You remember we discussed investment multiplier operates on the principle of one man's expenditure is another man's income. One man's expenditure is another man's income. How did we define K, investment multiplier? We denote it as K. Investment multiplier is the ratio of change in income to change in investment. In simple formula, we write it K as delta Y upon delta I. Change in income upon change in investment. This is the first formula we have, delta Y upon delta I. We discussed it also. Investment multiplier is a number. It's a number with which we multiply the change in investment to get change in income. So since you have here delta Y upon delta I, delta Y, mathematically we can put it as K times of delta I. That is, K is a number with which we multiply the change in investment delta I to get change in income delta Y. And from delta I, we can find out delta I, delta Y upon K. This is mathematically. Then further we discussed it, investment multiplier depends upon the spending habits of the people. That's the MPC, marginal propensity to consume. If MPC is high, then K will be high. We discussed it. If MPC is low, K will be low. Sorry. And there is a relationship between K and MPS also. If MPC is high, that means K will be high. The formula for this is K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Since we know 1 minus MPC is nothing but MPS, we can find out K from MPS also. K is equal to 1 upon MPS. If savings are high in the economy, K value will be low. So K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC or 1 upon MPS. So don't forget that. So now here, so delta Y is equal to K times of delta I. So instead of K, we can substitute 1 upon 1 minus MPC here. Delta Y is equal to 1 upon K to find out delta Y 1 upon 1 minus MPC. This is K into delta I, or delta Y is equal to 1 upon, this is 1 upon into, sorry I forgot, into delta I here. So let's see some numerical here, simple one. If MPC is given as 0.8, calculate the value of multiplier. Since we know MPC is 0.8, the formula for K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. We substitute the values here. 1 upon 1 minus 0.8, it comes out to be 0.2. The value of K will be 5. If MPS is 0.2, what is the value of multiplier K? K is equal to 1 upon MPS, 1 upon 0.2, that comes out to be 5 times K. So let's see the other sums we have in multiplier. If K is 4, K value is given to you, what will be the value of MPC and MPS? Same way, K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPS. That means K value is given here 4, we substitute it here 1 upon 1 minus MPC, sorry. 1 minus MPC will become MPS. So that means 4 MPS is equal to 1. MPS is equal to 1 upon 4. That means 0.25. Now one more sum we'll see from the multiplier. If the value of K is 4, what will be the effect on income of an economy if investment increases by 100 crores? So we know delta Y is equal to K times of delta I. That means K is 4 times. This given here, delta I is given to you 100, so the delta Y change in income will be 400. The income in the economy will go up by rupees 400 crores. delta I is 10, delta y is 50, what will be the value of k? It's very simple. K is equal to delta y upon delta I, that is equal to 50 upon 10, that comes out to be k is 5. So just remember this one, right? Okay, that is k. Simple numericals will be giving you more complicated ones. That's all we have time for today. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye from Saddam Hussein. Best of luck for all your exams. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.